How to fix Teams screen turns blue or gray while accessing files. 1. Shut down and restart Microsoft Teams. 2. Delete the Teams. Cache at C/users/your username/appdata/roaming/Microsoft/Teams. 3. Restore the default Teams theme. Path, settings and more settings appearance and accessibility. 4. Log out, then log into Teams. 5. Disable GPU hardware acceleration in Teams. Path, settings and more settings. 6. Check for graphics driver updates. To do this, use the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Repair or reset Teams. 8. Uninstall then reinstall Teams.